We're now going to look at Woundclot Veterinary. Now the veterinary range is ideal for any animal. So this could be your pet, it could be agricultural animals in a zoo or wildlife park, absolutely anything. Woundclot Veterinary is available in three sizes, the 10 centimetre by 10 centimetre, the 8 centimetre by 20 centimetre and the Z-fold 8 centimetre by 100 centimetre. Now, if you're dealing with an injury on an animal, it's exactly the same, the actual wound, as you would do with a human, but the communication is obviously a little bit different because you need to be dealing with an animal, and also the animal could bite or cause you any injury, so make sure you keep yourself safe. But the process for using Woundclot is the same. So a common one into a lot of pet first aid kits we sell is the 10 by 10 centimetre, because that does give a reasonably large size pad that you can put onto cuts. The advantage of this is with animals you can literally pack the wound as well. So something like this cut on the side here, you can take a piece of the wound clot, roll it up, lay it into the cut, and then if you tear this first, make another piece on the outside, and literally it will bung the hole up, form the clot, and then you can just put some bandage on the outside just to hold it in place while you're getting the animal to the vet. If you're deciding what other size it depends on what you're likely to come across. So a 10 by 10 is great, it's very low cost, it's a cheap, easy thing to put into any pet first aid kit. If you want something a little bit more versatile, maybe then go for the 8 by 20. Because you've got a larger area, then if you did have larger cuts or you need to pack a little bit more into the wound, you can do. The larger size, the 8 by 100, this is ideal for any higher risk example that you need to deal with. So it may well be a large area of flesh has been removed and another injury you need to physically pack the product in. So with this you can pack it right into the wound and then leave it in place, apply the pressure, and that will solve it. But also with these Z-fold gauze you can just tear a piece off. So although it's a metre long, you can just literally tear a piece off. So if there are multiple injuries, this is the ideal one to use.